So here's what I expect of you. Every single day, you wake up. You're going to come to me. You're going to ask me what I need. You're going to fetch it for me. You are going to clean underneath each of my toes. Okay? You are going to clean in between each of my toes, and you're going to clean my toe ring as well. And you better not miss a spot. Is that clear? Otherwise,